Hello guys and welcome back to yet another edition of Monday Special. With you is Oluwakorewa. This week, I'm not doing Ngbati, I'm not doing Tumbo. Picking our bankers direct and focusing on direct, not fighting to win palpitation this week. Let's dive straight into this plan. The first one, I'll be picking out just one banker. I'm not using event to watch. The second one is supplying me two direct. That's three numbers only. That being said, guys, let's dive straight into this plan without further ado. But in case this is the first time you're coming across this channel, welcome to Oluwakorewa Ghana Lotto Forecast channel. Only Ghana Lotto is what we drop here, Mondays to Sunday. This is the best place for you if you're looking for the best possible numbers to play on the Lotto niche, if that is your purpose online today. As our own aim of coming up with this channel is to help you identify the best numbers to play for Lotto. So if that is why you're online today, you found this channel for the first time, please subscribe and like this video for me. If you have people that stake Lotto too, don't be stingy, share it with them. Most of all, or most importantly, let me know what your own take on these plans. Now let's go straight on to staying on board. Let's go on board. The first time this is setting is on Monday Special's own board. No transfer today. At event 426, single 4 playing in, first ball winning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 79 to play in center ball machine. Second time working it on Monday Specials board. Here again at event 997, where single 4 played in first ball winning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks down. 79 would maintain position. And when 79 maintain position, center ball machine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 58 would maintain first ball winning. After 79 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, expect 58 to maintain first ball winning. After 58 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 weeks down, 72 in position. From here as well, when this one plays here, from 58 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 weeks down, expect 72 to play in last ball, second time on its own board. After 72 plays and maintain position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 in first ball winning. After 72 play and maintain position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This dropped its own 12 in this position, not first ball. The other one dropped it in first ball here. So now after this game maintain position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 weeks down, 16 will play last ball machine, 11 weeks down. Now after this game drop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 weeks down, 16 will play last ball position. After 16 plays in last ball machine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12 will play center ball machine. After 16 play in last ball machine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12 will play in first ball machine. Now when 12 plays in first ball center ball machine, pardon me, this is also center ball machine. After 16, 12 in center ball machine. When it plays to position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this game should turn in 5 weeks down. from 12 in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks down. 12 turned to 21. And it's telling us on this event, number in fourth ball will play and repeat to set lapping. This as well used the 21 to fourth ball. It repeat it and lap. Now, after these games at play, what's it telling us again? 50 last week should maintain position. After 50 last week, 12 played, went to the machine, turned to winning. One free banker here and picking out is 12. 12 is all I'm picking out here. And why am I not using event to watch? I'll tell you why I'm not using event to watch. Observe this. He picked 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. Normal forecast, we shouldn't expect it to pick 2. You understand? And it's indicating 12 to come play today. If you are the event watchers, or you see any other thing I didn't see here, maybe you tell us in the comment section. But for the sake of this video, I'm picking only 12. Let's go and pick the rest, because I have just 3 numbers to present for you today for optimum winning today. Now let's go. The second plan again is on Monday special again, own board plan. 46 to play in first ball winning. The following week, single 4 to play in fourth ball winning. Monday specials board, second time, 46 to play in first ball winning. The following week, single 4 to play in fourth ball winning. After setting these 2 games like this, it said we should go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 weeks. 25 will play last ball. But before he plays, 1, 2, 3, see 24 here. On the current, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 weeks down. You would meet 25 in last ball. Observe this. 1, 2, 3 weeks up. This one used 42. While the first time it used it, it put 24. Let's keep fingers crossed. Continue our working. I'm coming back here. Now, after 25 had played to position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 57 first ball winning. After 25 in position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 50. Let me take it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks here. 57 in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks here as well. 57 in position. Now, after 57, maintain position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 21 position, 31 position. From 57 in position. 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks down, 21 in position, 31 in position. When these 2 numbers maintain position, after these 2 numbers maintain position, what is it telling us? Open source banker, open source. 46 in position. This one is telling us 46 should turn today. Now, when this game played here, this one dropped 24 in this position. While I showed you on this one, the second time it used the turning of this one. Now today, this is telling us after these 2 numbers maintain position. 1, 2, 3 weeks. The number on this position should serve as a free banker. Remember Monday special, was it Monday special? Yes. I don't think it's Monday special. That showed us a plan that has played twice. It's doing the same thing today. Yeah, it's Monday special. It showed us this plan. It has already played single 6, repeat single 6, The day we won this, we won with single 6 and 57. It was showing us single 6, another free banker to repeat. It went third time. So don't be confused by the 42 in position as played and repeat. But that is what is asking for today, to come down, play first ball winning 42. This one used 24, while this used for the current one is using 42. So what are we expecting? 42. It's another banker on this one, and that's leaving my prediction displaying on the screen right now. So thank you for coming to watch this channel. If you find value in this content, please like this video for me, share and comment. Let me know what I've skipped. Nobody's an island of knowledge. Until I see you guys again, do enjoy the rest of your day. Good luck.